Hi everyone, welcome to my urban ghetto kitchen. This is Tendo Irene. I'm your cook. I'm inside my kitchen, guys. You are most welcome. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for stopping by or even searching my channel so that you can view what I have uploaded for today. In today's kitchen, I have macaron or spaghetti. That is what I'm going to be cooking for myself and for my two children, guys. Yes, I'm inside my ghetto kitchen, so make sure that you watch the full video. Oh, and before I forget, guys, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Here I am very random, guys. I cook, I clean, I do anything. So check out my channel and get to know me better, guys. And also, if you are my old subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for loving me for free, guys. Oh, give this video a like. It is so important for this channel to grow. And also comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me thinking it was a video bad or good. So please comment in the comment section so that I get to know what you really think about this video and what you think about my recipes and also my spices and also my kitchen and everything, guys. So guys, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. Make sure that you give this video a like, guys. It is so free, guys. Please just give me a like. I'll just leave you to watch the video, guys, in silence. Yeah, you are going to see my cooking. Today I'm cooking American food. I'm cooking exotic food, not the local one. Yes, this is exotic to us because this is, what should I call it? It is not from the garden. The food is not from the garden, the spaghetti. So that is what we call it, exotic food. So my kids craved it and I had to cook, guys. I had to prepare it because I told you my kids' cravings, our commands, our priorities. So even today I'm in the kitchen, yes, spicing up the food for my two children to quench their cravings. So guys, let me leave you to watch. Make sure that you love me. By loving me, I mean you click the like button, you subscribe, and also comment in the comment section, guys. Bye.